today we are here to take design thinking based activity video based on the topic nature of environments. So my students here will be presenting you a topic based on the design thinking concepts of these five topics. So let us see how my students are explaining it very.
Welcome to everyone. I am Durga from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in the SNS College of Engineering. I will be presenting my presentation in DT method, and the topic is nature of the environment. In DT method, I will be explained. In DT method, it contains empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. In empathy, an agent interact with the environment like human how interact with the world. To build intelligent system, we first understand what is the environment from the agent perspective. For example, a self-driving car, we can take a self-driving car. In that, it explores the traffic lights perspective and the what is the condition of the road. It is also comes under the. It can also while using AI, it can identify the perspective. And in empathy, DT means putting ourselves in the shoes from the agent to know how input, what are the challenges to face to achieve the goal, and the challenges it all comes under it also find them. And next, define. Once we empathize, we need to define the problem clearly. What is the problem? In A, the environment can be discrete or continuous. Static or dynamic. Deterministic or non-deterministic. Fully observable. Partially observable. These four types comes under the environment. For example, we can take a chessboard. It is a discrete, and it is static and deterministic, and it is fully observable. When we fully observable the chessboard, we can next to move the determine and next move the
Determine, and you can move the process further.
Yes.
Hello everyone, myself Ramya from the second year ADS department. I am here to explain the ideate prototype test process. First, ideate. Ideate is nothing but a possible solution, whether the given statement is correct or not. So I am here to give three ideas for that. First one, observable environment. Second, partially observable environment. Third, multi-agent environment. First one, observable environment belongs to rule-based or search environment algorithm. Second, partially observable environment belongs to sensors, machine learning agents for the prototype. Third, multi-agent environment belongs to like online games. We have a game theory and lecture strategies like this. Next, prototype. Prototype is nothing but creating a simplified version of the solution. Here I give a small example for the prototype. A chat box was tested in the turning test environment to see its behavior like humans. A real-time example: self-driving car tested in a virtual environment first, then before going to the real loads. Last one, test. Testing is nothing but the process of a prototype, whether it's gives output or not. In real-time examples, I have given the same self-driving car first tested in a virtual environment before going for the real road. If the process is if the process gives the output, it goes for a real roads. It is a testing process. Testing reaches the limitations like whether the testing process
Is correct or not, and it will give the output accordingly. Yes, so yes, this is how nature of environments is actually involved, and these are the process of how it is being evaluated. Generally, nature of environments is nothing but how the robot or different kinds of agents react based on the different kinds of the naturistic process in which it is evolved. In that, you will be having all these types, that is discrete and continuous, static, dynamic, deterministic, non-deterministic, fully observable and partially observable. It's a very general process in which an agent can work based on all these types. So my students have explained it in the DT based process. So I guess that this video will be useful for you, and I guess that this was helpful for you people. So in the next video, we'll be meeting you out with a very different video and with a very different context. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.